Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 11 is going to be vitamin A. So vitamin A is good for your vision, your immune system, your heart, your lungs, as well as your kidneys, okay? Different foods that are rich in vitamin A are going to be liver, fish, carrots, broccoli, cantaloupe, one of my favorites, and squash, and much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 11 is going to be the following exercises. 1, back and forth squats. 2, lunges with twist. 3, V sit-ups. And 4, bottom kickers. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for exercise 1, back and forth squats, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start feet shoulder width apart already. You're gonna jump forward, you're gonna jump back, and then you're gonna squat. So again, forward, back, squat, okay? Back and forth squats. Then we're gonna go with lunges with twists. So you're gonna start either with your right foot, left foot. I'm gonna start with my left foot going forward. I'm gonna lunge forward. When I come to the end, I'm gonna twist to my left, and then I'll switch, lunge, and then twist the opposite direction. You're gonna go back and forth with your right twist and your left twist, okay? Then we're gonna go down to our bottoms, and we're gonna do our V sit-ups. So you're gonna have your feet together. You're gonna slightly elevate your body like this, and then you're gonna get your hands to touch your toes. The best if you can, okay? Those are V sit-ups. Your body should kind of look like a V as best as possible. And last but not least, we're gonna do our bottom kickers. So I'm gonna show you this way, and then I'll show you at the side angle. So you're gonna go ahead and kick your bottoms the best you can. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll get to this Fast 5 workout number 11 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Forward back squat. Best you can, getting back as low to the ground as possible. Remember, you guys can do anything you put your mind to for 30 seconds. All right, remember the motto, just finish. Again, it's not about speed. All right, let's get into those lunges. So lunge and twist. Lunge and twist. Going, you're doing great. Don't give up. Just finish. Turn that torso. All right, we got V sit-ups. Starting at 3, 2, 1, go. Want you to count, see how many you do this first round, and try to beat it second round. All right, bottom kickers, let's go. So that was 18 for me. Again, here's some side angle. You want to kick your bottoms, let's go. Good job. It's the last one before our break. And time, all right, 1 minute rest. It's time to get some water. You guys haven't seen it. Brand new merch. You guys check it out on Teespring.com, the P.E Spot, as well as Redbubble. so you guys can join the movement and the motto, just finish. It's a lifestyle, my friends. Whatever you start in life, just finish. Can't shake your legs off. You got 30 seconds left. Woo! That's a good one. If you guys haven't already done so, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment on the videos. Let me know how you guys are doing with these workouts. If you guys have actually went through 1 through 10 already, because again, this is our 11th Fast 5 workout that I've created for you guys. All right, get ready to go. Again, back and forth squats. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Round 2. Challenge yourself. All right, let's get those lunge with twist. Turn your whole torso. Your torso is your upper body. Turn it to the side. You're almost done. Let's go. Don't quit on me. Woo! Feeling it. All right, we got those V sit-ups. 2 more, my friends, 2 more. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Last one, everything you got. Thirty seconds, everything you got. Let's go. Finish strong. Just finish. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. And time. Nice job, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Fist pump. Boom. You guys did an amazing job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 11. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite exercise from today's workout, as well as your most challenging exercise from today's workout. Also, I would like you guys to create your own Fast 5 workout, and maybe it'll be featured in a future Fast 5 workout on the channel. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun activity, and it's called the laundry transfer. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. activity, you're gonna need a few household items. If you have available 2 hula hoops or 2 types of rings, a bunch of sock balls, or it could be any type of laundry that's gonna be used, as well as a towel or some type of mat for your forearms. So make sure you stay tuned and we'll demonstrate this in just a moment. All right, so here's the setup for laundry transfer. We're gonna have 1 hula hoop filled with a bunch of sock balls or any type of clothing that you might have. Another one that's completely empty. I have my towel in the middle. That is going to be my setup. Now what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go and start into a plank position. We are together, my back is straight, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of my pieces of laundry. Once I grab it, I'm going to go into my forearm plank and then transfer plank, and then I'm going to push up and then transfer it over. Pretend this is your washer and pretend this is your dryer. Your clothes are washed, you got to put it in the dryer. So that's what's going to happen, okay? So our goal is to transfer all of these sock balls or any type of clothing articles into this side while maintaining a plank and a forearm plank. We're gonna see how many times we can do this in 1 minute, okay? So if we get all of the sock balls over from the washer to the dryer, we're gonna transfer from the dryer back to the washer, and then we're gonna see what our total amount of articles or sock balls we can get in 1 minute. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start my turn in just a moment. Again, what you wanna do is maintain that plank position. When you're in that plank position, you're gonna grab an item, forearm, forearm, transfer up, put in, grab the next one, same thing, goes in. If you need to drop down to a knee, that's okay. Your goal is just to keep your knees up and elevating to a proper plank position. Your back is straight and your feet are together. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up and back. 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. All right, so in this laundry transfer activity, I got 16. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3. He's gonna try to maintain that plank position with his knee not dropping down. If you need to, however, make sure you drop your knee just for a quick second. And again, make sure you're doing it on your forearms, not your elbows. 7, that's 8. That's 9. Okay, coming back. I'm gonna start with this right hand to grab it. That's 11. 12. 13, 14, that's 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. 20. All right, so I did 20 modifieds. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of launch and transfer. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.